Hello dear creatives, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your Aso Oke flowers, and I have my piece of Aso Oke right here, and of course you'll be needing your pattern. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn of this, meaning that by the time I pair two, 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 and two, don't forget this is two as well, and two as well. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm putting this aside, but 10 will give me 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this stays on this on this on this, and the other 5 petals will serve for another set of 5. Do you understand? All right. So this is what I have right here. Can you see how I arranged that? And it's looking so beautiful. Actually, I had another outcome in mind, but of course I changed the narrative as I saw that this was going to look much more prettier as a butterfly than as a flower. So which means I have two leftovers right here, and can you see how it looks? And I just used my beads right here to create the eyes of the butterfly. So I hope you have gained something today. So you can actually use this to embellish your hat, your fascinator, your turbans, your hats, you know, anything that you want to design this with, it goes for me. So you can just get like a tulle net in strip to just cover up the wire in between right here. So this is the back. Can you see how gorgeous it looks? Even the back looks really beautiful. And then that is it for how to create your Aso Oke embellishment. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and send a thumbs up, and of course we look forward to seeing you again in our next tutorial. My name is Adiola. Bye for now.